You guys, guess what just happened? I just went through this whole lesson and then realized that I wasn't even recording. So now I have to do it again. Okay. Hey guys. I'm excited because today we are bringing back the math application problems. We haven't done them in a while, so it's kind of exciting that we're going to start seeing them pop back up because they are so important. Before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and give you a few reminders are a few helpful tips to help you solve these problems. Remember, our application problems are word problem stories. The first thing that we have to do is we're going to read the whole problem first, and then we're going to go through and we are going to we're going to pick out the most important information from our problem to help us solve it. So the first thing I'm going to do, and just ignore my circles, I literally went through this whole entire lesson and was getting ready to draw my picture before I realized that I wasn't even recording. So I'm going to read the problem first, and then I will go through how to find the most important information. So our problem today says, there were 8 children in the after-school cooking club. How many boys and how many girls might be in the class? Draw a picture and write a number sentence to explain your thinking. So remember, story problems have a lot of words in them. We don't need to know every single detail. We just need to know the most important ones. So the first thing I circled was the number 8. This is pretty important because this tells us how many kids all together. If you were thinking number bond, that number 8 would go in that top circle because it's the total number. How many all together? 8. We don't need to know where they're at, okay? We do need to know the question. What are they wanting us to solve? So I underlined the question. How many boys and how many girls might be in the class? That's important. That tells us what we're going to be doing. However, I did put a box around this word might because this is also very important because it lets us know that there could be more than one right answer to this question. Because if you remember making the number 8 with our number bonds, there's more than one combination of numbers that we can put together to equal 8. Okay? So there could be more than one correct answer. We are just trying to figure out how many boys and how many girls there might be. Okay? So here's what you're going to do. You can solve this problem a number of ways. If you want to do the method where you go and you get little 8 items from your house, whether they're 8 little scraps of paper or whatever it is, some 8 items, and you put them down on a table, you close your eyes, you pick some up, okay? That's making a combination of 8. You could use that for your picture, okay? Or I'm going to show you how to do it if you don't have 8 items at home. So what I'm going to do, our total number is 8. So I'm going to draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my 8 circles. These are my 8 students. Then I'm not going to actually do it because I don't want you guys to just copy off of me. But then what I might do is I might color some of them blue and some of them and the rest of them pink. And that would give you a combination to 8. So for example, if I colored 2 blue and colored the rest pink, I would have 2 plus 6 equals 8. There could be 2 boys and 6 girls. Or you could flip-flop it. I'm not going to do this part. Okay, that's going to be up to you. You're going to figure out how many circles you can color blue and then how many are left pink. And then down here is going to be your number sentence. So remember, a number sentence is an equation. What number plus a number equals 8? Okay? So, this is just an option. Again, I did not want to actually give you the answer. So when you go into Seesaw, you are going to actually be solving this problem on your own. Color some circles blue, color some pink. You don't have to use those 2 colors either. If you want to color some orange and some purple, that's fine too. But that's just going to help you find your equation or number sentence that equals 8. Okay? So again, not giving you all the answers. I want to see what you guys can come up with on your own. All right? Okay. Can't wait to see it. Thanks for watching.